Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to find out the unique values and duplicate values. In this particular dataset, I have first name, last name, university, employee ID, and date of joining. If somebody comes to you or some of your colleague comes to you and asks, I wanted to extract the list of university from where the employee has been graduated. In that particular case, you wanted to extract the list of university data. So this is the big data set over here, which has multiple university, and there are employees who have graduated from same university. One option is to find out the duplicate entries is I will select the column C and I will use home and then conditional formatting. I will highlight the cells and I will find out duplicate values. So we are able to find out the duplicate values, and there are some of the values we will be able to see. It is unique. And if you see the duplicate values, it will have multiple entries. So that is why it has been highlighted in a red color. And the requirement is to extract the university data. So all they want is list of university. It should not have a duplicate entry. It should have only single entry. For that, we can do is we can actually copy this university, and I can go on copying the university like this. And this is one of the university. And I need to ensure that whatever I am copying and pasting, it should not duplicate. It should not have duplicate entry. So sometimes if I go on copying like this, and I might get the same university name again. So simply I'll be copying and pasting here to get the list of university. And Washington State University, if you notice somewhere, you will find here. And when you try to copy and paste, you are basically duplicating the university name. The requirement is to get the list of university names from where the employee has been graduated. It should have only single entry. The entry should not be duplicated. So I'll delete this and I will go to the conditional format, clear the rules from the entire sheet. If you are not using the formula, there is another method. Usually we try to use this method. I'll use Shift and Control and then right arrow key on the keyboard and then down arrow key on the keyboard. So I have selected the entire dataset. What I will do is I'll copy this and I'll create a new sheet. I'll paste the new sheet and use the source and column width, and I will zoom the sheet. So here what I will be doing is I will filtering the university. So I'll go to the data, filter, and I'll filter for the university, and I'll go on filtering for the university. Now I wanted to extract the list of university. What I will do is I'll copy this university because I wanted to have single entry of the university name. I will create one more sheet and then copy this. And I will go again, filter. I'll copy this Boston College and paste here. So like this, I have to keep on doing the copy paste until all the university names have been extracted. So Boston University is completed, and then I'll go use Brandeis University. So this is very tedious. If you do this, because you have multiple entries over here. If you notice, you have multiple entries of the university. It is almost 800 plus rows you need to filter out. So for this, what I will be doing is I have a function which is called as unique. So there is a unique function in Excel. We will be able to extract the data of the duplicate values. For that, I will zoom a little bit. Then now list of universities. This is what I wanted to find out, and I will give a different color. So what I will do is I will use equals, then I will use unique, which is the unique function, open the bracket, and I have to select the range of cells. So this is my range of cells, which is in C column. So now I have selected the entire data which is there in C column, right? So we have the data here. If I close the bracket, I get the list of universities. So this is not a duplicate entry. All the university data have been extracted only one time. So if you see the data what we have extracted, it is not duplicated. It is extracted only one time. And if I copy and paste, so I'll copy, Control C to copy, and I will paste the data. I have to paste the values. So I will paste the values, and so we are able to extract the list of university data from the bigger data set. So we have the university name in a single entry. So we have not duplicated the names of the university. We have got the name of the university only once. And if I wanted to count how many university we have the employees graduated from, and I'll be able to see the count. So it is 100 university from where the employees has been graduated. If I wanted to count from how many universities the employee has been graduated, I will use count A function and open the bracket. I will select the range of cells. So this is my range of cells, and I will close the bracket. So we have 100 universities from where the employees has been graduated. So there are total 100 universities from where the employees has been graduated. All these university names are not duplicated. It is only one entry. So this list we have already extracted as a single entry. Now, if I go back to the sheet, if you notice in column C, it is not that you only have the duplicate entries, you also have unique values as well. To find out the duplicate entries, we have already found out the duplicate entries. The names are getting repeated. And what I will do is I will clear the rules from the entire sheet. Now I wanted to find out the unique entries, the entries of the university name which has not been repeated. So this university name is having only one entry. For that, I will use Shift and Control key on my keyboard, then use down arrow key to select the data set. So this data set I have selected, and I wanted to find out the unique university names. Select the duplicate values. Instead of duplicate, I need to select unique here. Then click on OK. So I have selected unique here, and if I wanted to fill any color, I can fill green color also, and I will click on OK. So these are the university names which has only one entry, and apart from the highlighted ones, all these university names have multiple entries. So these are having duplicate entries. So that is why it is not getting highlighted. We have highlighted only the university names which are unique, which has only one entry. So we have found out using the conditional formatting. We are able to find out using the function as well. So if I wanted to use the function, unique function, I can use unique and open the bracket. Now I need to select the range. So this time I need to select the range of cells. So I have selected the range of cells. So if you notice, I am leaving the header because the university name itself, it is a unique. So that is why I am leaving the header. I am selecting only the university names. So this is my range of cells, which is the range is, if I drag little bit, then, so this is my range of cells starting from C2 to C862. So this will be my range of cells. So which is already showing here, C2 to C862. I wanted to find out only the unique entries out of this particular range. For that, I will use comma and I will use false and I will use true to extract, to find only the unique entries. So return items that appear exactly once. Yes. Now, these are the names of university which appears only once in the column C. And these are the names of university which appear multiple times. So these are the names of university which are appearing multiple times. And these are the university names which appear only one time. So this has only single entry. So this way you will be able to find out the unique values, the duplicate values in the given dataset. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.